It's going good.
Okay, keep going.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Too fast. But it's okay, right?
Mm-hmm. It's doing good. Keep doing. Hold the fabric with the... Yeah, okay. Right here. Right here, away from the needle. Okay, keep going. Do it slowly, okay? Maybe a little bit faster. Doing good, though. Okay, watch the fabric. Watch your fingers. Doing good.
Can I stop?
No, keep going. We got to get that whole side done, remember?
It has teeth.
Huh? Okay, stop. Okay, now lift it up. Take your foot off the pedal. Okay, good.